Okay, so for the first one, if you do not remember the rule when it is bases other than E, you can just convert this using change of base formula and take the derivative of that. That's how we derived what it is. This ends up being a constant multiple times ln of x squared, correct? So y prime is going to be the derivative, constant multiple, derivative of ln of x squared is 1 over x squared times 2x, right? Am I right? Which is going to get me 2 over x ln 3. Did we get that? Looks like most of us did. No, if you remember the rule, you can go straight from this to taking the derivative right to that. But what I'm showing you is if you forget the rule, like on a test, anyone ever forget the rule on a test? This one is the easy one to just put it in change of base formula and then take the derivative of that one and you're fine. Okay? Integrating is a little more difficult. And this one is going to be a u substitution. So I'm going to let u equal 5x to the fourth plus 4. So du is 20x dx, correct? How many of you did the times 4 times 1/4 to get the 20x cubed? Oops, I left my cube. X cubed. There we go. How many of you did it that way? How many of you solved for dx? Oh my goodness. How many of you solved for dx and got du over 20x cubed equals dx and then substituted in and reduced with the 5x cubed? How many of you did it that way? Most of you look for the du? Okay. So then this is going to get me 1/4 the integral of 4 to the u du, correct? And as we know, when we integrate an exponential, we get that exponential, correct? Right? Now, if that was the derivative, it would have been divided by ln of 4. So we need to multiply by ln of 4 to undo the division, correct? Or do I have it backwards? I have it backwards. It would have, I was doing log, not exponential. I was doing log. With exponential, it would have been multiplied by ln. So I need to divide by ln. Sorry, we just did the log base. So my brain had that one in it, not the exponential. My bad. I apologize. So now, but it's still that idea of the derivative would have been multiplied or divided by that. So the integral is going to undo that multiplication or division. So what I end up with is 4, sorry, oops, plus c, I got to put it there. So I have 4 to the 5x to the fourth plus 4 over 4 ln 4. Is that right? What we got over there? Right. Some of you, I could tell on that last test, went back and, oh dear, I forgot the plus c. So you stuck it at the end. It has to happen at the point of integration, not at the very end. So, any questions on this?